Hi, I'm Rich Donino at Shults Lincoln, and here's today's Tuesday tip. Today I'd like to show you the power seat controls and the power seat in the 2018 Lincoln Continental. It has a 30-way power called active motion. It has 3 different memory settings. It has a setting for your headrest, for 2 different ones for the seat back, and 1 for the seat cushion. And also you have the thigh extenders that actually, and maybe you want to see this, will make the bottom of the seat come out like that to rest your thighs. And most importantly, you have your massage settings here. It gently massages the seat and your lower back for extreme comfort. But my real tip for Tuesday is if you are going to be riding home late at night with the heated seat and the massage going on, have a cup of coffee.